Okay, so today we're coming out here. We got to do some work on this roller. Two of these feet came off this roller when I was transporting it, and I don't know if they were already kind of halfway cracked or what. Some of it's looked fresh, but some of it doesn't. So we're gonna, does that one go there? Yeah. I'm gonna try to put these back on here and gonna do some grinding work, make it all shiny bright metal, and I've got my welder, and we're gonna get after it and get these two things put back on here. But first of all, we got to clean it up. No blue ribbon weld, but went in there and did it with 6010 for a root, and ran a couple passes of 7018 1/8 rod on there. So this one's next. This is where we're at now. So, like I said, it's not going to win any medals, but it ain't going to come off either. So we are back in business.